Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Enjoy Life. Hope you are all doing good. Happy Durga Puja to all of you. Today I am going to share an interesting recipe, Luchir Payas, that we serve Ma Durga as prasad. It is really too delicious and too yummy. They are full of milk products and full of dry fruits. So watch this video beginning to end. Don't skip and don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. So let's start this Luchir Payas.
At first, making dough. Taking 1½ cup of maida, adding 1 pinch of salt, then adding 2 teaspoons of ghee. I am using homemade ghee. Then mixing well, mixing very nicely. Look, now it takes binding structure. Now adding water as required, then mixing well and making a soft dough. I am cleaning the dough approx 4 to 5 minutes. Now ready. Now covering it and keeping rest approx 15 minutes. Now making kheer, taking a kadai, adding 750 ml of full fat milk and waiting for a boil. Boil is coming, stirring continuously, making thick, reducing milk in approx half proportion. Boiling in high flame, adding half teaspoon of ghee. It will give a good aroma. At that time, adding half cup of mawa, in Bengali it's called khoa kheer. Then mixing well. I am using sweet khoa. Mixing well. Khoa is melted now. Mixing well and adding half cup of sugar. You can use sugar as per your taste. Mixing well and waiting for it dissolve. After some time, sugar is dissolved now. Adding 1/4 teaspoon of crushed green elaichi. Then mixing well and leaving it in low flame for some time. It will be more thick. Until then, I am making luchi. Dough is too soft now. Once more I am cleaning the dough, making small size peda. Look like this. Please make small peda. You can do like this. Spreading some maida, putting a peda, then rolling out like this, making small size luchi. Rolling out very carefully. Making small size luchi like this. Now I am going to fry. Taking a kadhai, adding some oil, approx 1 cup of refined oil. You can use also ghee. Now heating the oil. After some time, oil is hot now. Now I am frying luchi one by one. Frying very nicely. Frying done, removing from kadhai, removing it in a bowl. Then I am making in the same way. All luchis are done. Now kheer is more thick. I am adding luchis, dipping into the kheer one by one. Dipping all luchis into the kheer, mixing all together in medium flame, cooking approx 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 minutes cooking, adding some dry fruits, adding some chopped cashew nuts, some resin, then mixing well, cooking more 1 to 2 minutes. Now luchis are too soft, cooking 1 minute more. After 2 minutes it's done. Now turning off the gas, waiting for completely cool down. Now it is completely cooled down. Oh ho, looking too delicious. For this puja it is perfect. Now serving in a plate as a puja prasad for Ma Durga is perfect. This is authentic recipe of luchir payas. Now topping some chopped almonds and some rose petal. It is too delicious. Please try it in this puja for Ma Durga and serve Ma Durga as a prasad. Now it is ready.
Hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget comment in comment box how is this recipe. So enjoy this puja, eat healthy and stay healthy. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.